my iPhone feeling.
Okay.
Keon, I'm gonna be on the runway behind Grace Point.
Woohoo!
1 minute, timer clear.
Ah, what's that? You okay? Hurry up, Nate. What does he have to hurry for? I'll go right there, Nate. You need to make that thing 6S. Is it? Oh, God. Yeah, tell me when you are.
Gear up.
Sweet. I'm doing one too. Thank you, Nate.
Oh, it's not flickering.
It is now.
Time remains 2 minutes.
I wasn't totally full.
Oh, okay. Go full on one, I want to see.
If freaking Keon gets out the way.
Do a full throttle and pull up.
Yeah, we know. You're talking the whole damn runway.
Oh, there it is. He copied me!
Oh my God, he copied all my ideas! Ready? Oh, now it's off. Oh, shit. Yeah.
Gear down.
Dead stick! Keon, we're dead stick. Yeah.
Did I use a dead battery?
Well, we got the video, so that's all that matters. Plane's down.
Yeah, I think I used a dead battery. Oops.
You put a dead battery?
I think I did.
Smart one. No, Frank's motor burned out. He just put a dead battery. He still has motor. It's just
Time
a battery.
remains 1 minute.
I hope I didn't kill the battery.
Huh?
I hope I didn't kill it. I think I just grabbed a dead battery. I knew it didn't sound full throttle. Yeah, dumbass. Oh well, we saw flicker. That's all that matters.
Oh, yeah.
Saying dead battery. Bet you that